In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a transfer case shift motor on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located in the bottom middle of the car, right on the side of the transfer case. Let's get started. Using a E10 bit or a 8mm socket, remove the 4 bolts for the heat shield. Remove the bolts and the heat shield. You don't have to fully remove this last one. Using a clip tool, we're going to pop the plastic stay off of the stud. Remove the connector for the shift motor. There's a push button on top right here, right where that blade is. Push on that tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. There's that tab. I'm going to pull that up and out of the way. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 bolts for our shift cased motor. Remove all 3 bolts. Wiggle and remove the transfer case shift motor. Using a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner, we're going to go around and we're going to clean that mating surface. If you have a lot of corrosion built up in here, you could use a piece of like high grit sandpaper and go around and just clean it. We don't want to mar it up, but we want it nice and clean. Install the shift motor into place. Push straight in until it's fully seated. That O-ring can get kind of tight as it goes in. Install the 3 bolts. Get them started by hand. Snug down the bolts. We're going to torque our shift case motor bolts to 16 foot-pounds. Install the connector onto the shift case motor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the plastic stay onto the stud. Install the heat shield into place. And get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the heat shield bolts to 9 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.